Future tense is, you guessed it right, simple and easy. Add the suffix ecek, acak, depending on the verb's last vowel harmony. And there is just ecek and acak. Git. It's E, A, E, E. Gidecek. He will go. Kesecek. Siniz. You will cut. Okuyacağım. I will read. Why it is yumuşak G here? Because okuyacağım doesn't sound practical. And practicality is important in Turkish. So, there is the rule of hardening and softening of consonants. There is PÇTK, which are hard, can be soft like BCDG, G. PÇTK, BCDG. You hear softer. BCDG is. How soft are they? And also the way they are written. Somehow. Looks softer, or it's just me. Anyways. Yes. P becomes B. B. B. But if you make it B. Hard. J is soft version of Ç. D is softer version of T. G is softer version of K. And the softest letter in Turkish alphabet is yumuşak G. There is only one softest, and it's yumuşak G, because its name is yumuşak, soft G. Soft G. Okay, and in future tense, K becomes yumuşak G. In ben, variants, and biz. So, for example, gel, geliyor. Pardon. Geleceğim. Geleceksin. Gelecek. Geleceğiz. We and I. A, just geleceğim. Easy. Other than that, also, if the verb ends with a vowel, you add a y before the suffix to prevent vowel repetition. For example, başla, start becomes başlayacak, başlayacak. No, başlayacak would be nonsense. So başlayacak, y. Başlayacak, like it would be like two words, but we like one word, right? That's why we just add y to merge them. İzleyecek, also same. So the rule is simple. You can talk about your future here. And there is an example conversation about future. Your dialogue will be here. And yep. I will do this first one. Or you will do this. Yes, it's better. because you know everything you need to know to do this. But let's do it like this. See you in question sentences after you finish the worksheet.